Everyone, I received this charging cable as a gift. Let's start opening the bag, show what they look like. It comes a pack of 2. So on this side, you get a Type-C charger, but you also get a converter. You can plug into Type-A, and it stays with the cable, so it doesn't come off. Always there. Never go missing. You can simultaneously charge 4 phones at the same time. You get 2 lightning cables, one for data transfer or CarPlay, another one for charging. You also get Type-C USB for any Type-C device, including your iPhones, and you get micro USB. So we're gonna try to charge this Samsung S25 using Type-C. First, we're gonna use with Type-A. Regular charging. Now we're gonna try from Type-C to Type-C charging. It works. We're gonna try to charge this headphones with a micro USB. Looks like it works. So this gaming console. Works. There's a red light inside, so you can charge all devices at the same time. You can also charge iPhone if you have one. Since you get every commonly used charging cable on here, it's a great product to keep at home. If you're doing any parties, anybody can come over and charge the device, or if you're doing any business travel or for camping, it's a great product. Definitely recommend this.